Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Showpoll.ph. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin viral SOCMED for today, May 17, 2026. Mula sa mga official Facebook page ng Ang Balita Ngayon at ni Attorney Raymond Bato, pareho nilang pinuna ang mga naging aksyon ng Ombudsman sa mga nangyari sa Senado ilan araw lang ang nakalipas, ayon sa page ng Ang Balita Ngayon, published as is. See you in a couple of years, by Attorney Ferdy Topacio, may babala kay Ombudsman Boyeng Remulla. Naglabas ng sunod-sunod na patutsada si PDP Deputy Spokesperson Attorney Ferdy Topacio laban kay Ombudsman Boyeng Remulla kaugnay ng mga pahayag nito at sa patuloy na kontrobersya hinggil sa tensyon at insidente ng warning shot sa Senado noong May 13. Sa kanyang X account, dating Twitter, kinwestiyon ni Topacio ang umano'y pagiging abala ni Remulla sa usapin ng Senado habang may iba pang matagal ng kontrobersyal na kaso na hinihintay umano ng publiko. Ayon kay Topacio, Boyeng, nasaan na yung kaso ni Martin? Wala pa, no, kasi sawsaw ka ng sawsaw sa di mo naman trabaho. GGSIS ka. Galing na galing sa iyong sarili. Kasunod nito, nagbitiw pa siya ng isa pang pahayag na tila may babala laban sa ombudsman. Sige, Boyeng, daldal lang ng daldal. Iniipon ko yan para grounds for impeachment. See you in a couple of years. Yeba, lumabas ang mga pahayag ni Topacio kasabay ng umiinit na usapin sa naging hakbang ng ombudsman laban kay Acting Senate Sergeant at Arms Ret. Major Gen. Mau Aplaska matapos itong patawan ng 6 na buwang preventive suspension kaugnay ng warning shot incident. Matatanda ang iginiit ng kampo ng ilang personalidad gaya ni Attorney Israel Itotorian, abogado ni Senador Bato de la Rosa na maaaring wala umanong jurisdiction ang ombudsman sa Senate Sergeant at Arms dahil bahagi ito ng internal affairs ng Senado bilang isang co-equal branch ng gobyerno. Samantala, ipinagtanggol naman ng ombudsman ang investigasyon nito at sinabing mahalagang mabusisi ang nangyaring tensyon sa pagitan ng Senate Security at mga operatiba ng National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. Sa ngayon, wala pang opisyal na tugon si Ombudsman Remulla sa naging mga patutsada ni Attorney Topacio sa social media. Samantala ibinahagi ni Attorney Raymond Bato ang isang imahe ni Ombudsman Boyeng na nakaupo at may suot sa ulo na may caption na, "The problem with Boyeng, he does not seem to know which hat to wear." Opinion, Attorney Raymond Bato. When Boyeng speaks before the cameras, which he appears fond of doing, he presents himself as the Tanod Bayan on one hand, and as the political mouthpiece of the administration on the other. But here is the problem. He seems confused as to which hat he is wearing. Worse, he appears to forget that the office of the Ombudsman is a constitutional body, not an office under the executive department, not a political arm of Malacanang, and certainly not a megaphone for the administration. Now, by intruding upon the independence of the Senate when he preventively suspended the Senate Sergeant at Arms using the motu proprio power of his office, and by later chastising Senator Bato in the same interview, over whom he has no disciplinary authority and whose actions he has no business prejudging, Boyeng forgot which hat he was supposed to wear. When he declared that, flight is evidence of guilt, he was no longer speaking merely as the ombudsman. He was already speaking like a prosecutor, a political commentator, and an administration attack mouthpiece rolled into one. That is our problem with our Boyeng. Can Boyeng be impeached and later prosecuted? Of course, yes, but wait for 2028. Disclaimer: this post is a political satire and opinion commentary on matters of public interest and official conduct. It is not intended as a statement of personal fact, nor as an accusation of any crime. It is an exercise of free speech, fair comment, and political criticism.
Okay, para mag-issue na kami ng subpoenas for next week.
As early as next week, sir.
As early as next week.
Okay. For what possible violations?
Marami eh. Di ba,
Obstruction, sir?
obstruction of justice yung isa sa pinakamabigat dyan. Failure to maintain public order and safety within Senate premises. Tsaka,
So, pasok ba yung parang cuddling ng criminal?
yun din, aiding and abetting a criminal. fugitive from justice.
At least 3, sir, no?
At least marami yan. Marami tayong makikita nitong gross neglect of duty.
E-follow ang Facebook ng Ang Balita Ngayon at ni Attorney Raymond Bato, i-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest viral SOCMED update for today. Paki-like at share ang video at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. I-click ang notification bell for more viral SOCMED updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Shukran.